Hi, hello बच्चों. Welcome back to my channel मैथ से लगे रहो. In today's class we are learning application of derivatives, MCQ theory questions dear students remaining. So now let us see the question number 6. What they had asked: the total revenue rupees received from the sales of X units of a product, it's given by R of X is equal to 13x square plus 36x plus 5. Then the marginal revenue when X is equal to 15 is dash rupees. So we have to find here, dear students, like previous video we have seen fifth question. Something similar it is, no change in that. So just they are given what here, dear students? Total revenue they are given. We have to find here what? Marginal revenue. Marginal revenue you have to find means what? We have to take the derivative of that, dear students. Nothing you have to do, you have to take the derivative of this. So derivative of R of X you have to take. With respect to X only you take derivative. So R of X derivative. So what will get you see? 13 is as it is. Constant into function. Constant is written as it is. X square derivative is 2x. Same only constant into function. Constant is written as it is. Derivative of X is 1. 5 derivative is 0. Constant derivative is 0. So now how much you will get here? You see, differentiation of R of X divided by dx. So 13 into 2 is 26x. 36 1 ja 36 plus 0 will leave that one. Fine. So now X value is given how much? 15. So just you substitute the 15 value here, dear students. D of R of X divided by dx. So when what it is given, X value is given as 15. So substitute 15 here, dear students. 26 into 15. So 15 plus how much? 36. So 15 into 26 is how much? That is 390 plus 36. So if you add them, we will get 426, dear students. So our option is matching with C. C for Congo. Congo is the answer, dear students. I hope it is clear. So everyone are understanding. So we'll go for the next question. Please copy it, dear students. I hope everyone are copied. Now let us see the next question, dear students. Question number 7. The radius of circle is increasing at the rate of 0.7 centimeter per second. Then the rate of increase of its circumference is dash pi centimeter per second, dear students. So which option is correct in 4? We have to check. So first what is given you will understand. Radius of circle is increasing. Radius of circle is increasing means what? Change is there. If change is there in radius means what? That is dr by what? Dt we will write, dear students. Why dt is written? Second. Can you see here? Second means what? Time, dear students. And radius is changing means dr by dt we can write. Why dt has came? Because time is there. So dr by dt is given how much? 0.7 centimeter per second, dear students. So then I have to find what here? The rate of increase of its circumference. That means circumference is increasing, dear students. Circumference, how much it increases? When radius is increasing. Understood? If radius is increasing means circumference automatically increases. So how much it is increasing? Increasing means what? Change. So circumference we will take it as C, dear students. C is nothing but what? Circumference. Changing is means what? Change means what? That is derivative. Increase means what? Change only. So derivative we have to find, dear students. dc by dt. Once t has came means it will come with this also. T only, dear students. So now let us work on this. What is the circumference of circle, dear students? Circumference of circle is 2 pi r. This is the formula. Now differentiate with respect to t, dear students. So now c and t are different. Then you can write it as what? dc by dt. And now see here, 2 pi is constant. Constant you can write as is. What is the derivative of r? R and t are different, dear students. Differentiating with respect to t means you can write it as dr by dt, dear students. So then what you will get? dc by dt is equal to 2 pi dr by dt. Dr by dt is how much? 0.7. Will you agree? dr by dt is how much? 0.7, dear students. I am substituting. 2 into 0.7 is how, 0.7 is how much? That is 1.4 pi dc by dt. That means what? dc, circumference we can calculate by in unit only, just. So then you can write it as what? Centimeter per second, dear students. Centimeter. Oh, you cannot see here. Just you remember this. Centimeter per second, dear student. It is given only. So then what is your answer? You see. Pi centimeter per second. Pi centimeter per second. Already it is there. So what number we have got? 1.4. That is matching with B, dear students. So B for bingo. Bingo is your answer, dear students. Please copy this. We will see the next question. Let us see the next question, dear students. Question number 8. The function f of x is equal to cos x is increasing in the interval dash, that given. So in which f of x is equal to cos x is increasing. First of all, you should know what is increasing function and what is decreasing function. Just for your understanding purpose, I will write f dash of x is greater than 0 means function is increasing, dear students. Function is what? Increasing. If f dash of x is less than 0 means function is decreasing. This is strictly increasing and strictly decreasing, dear students. Don't get confused. Just written here what? F dash of x is greater than 0 means function is increasing and function is decreasing here. Less than 0 means strictly increasing and strictly decreasing, these are. So now see here. Now f of x is what? We have to find the derivative of this. F of x is equal to cos x is given. Derivative of this is what? Cos x derivative, everyone know that is minus sin x. Cos x derivative is what? Minus sin x, dear students. If sin is negative, only you think on this, I am saying, dear students. Only this much you see. Sin x. If sin is negative means negative into negative, positive. Positive means what? It is greater than 0, no? So then where sin will become negative, you have to see. So you already know this one after school to college. After school to college means here A, S, T, C. How to remember after school to college? So now see here. A means all are positive in this interval. All the ratios are positive from 0 to pi by 2. So pi by 2 to pi. Pi by 2 to pi. Sine and cosec are positive, dear students. Pi say 3 pi by 2 is, that is tan and cot are positive. 3 pi by 2 to 2 pi. Here up to 2 pi. Okay, and give comma also better, I think. So 2 pi. So here it is what? Cos and sec are positive, dear students. Now you only see. From 0 to pi by 2. Sine is positive or negative? It is positive, no? All are positive means. So positive into negative is what? Sin x is positive. Positive into negative is negative. Negative means what? Less than 0, decreasing. Then this is not our option, dear students. This is the wrong option. Yes or no? Because it is giving less than 0. I want what? Function should have to increase. Increase means derivative should be greater than 0. Derivative 0 ಗಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಅಂದ್ರೇನೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಇದ್ರೆ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 0 to pi by 2 ನಲ್ಲಿ sin ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇದೆ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇರ್ತವೆ. ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇಂಟು ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಲೆಸ್ ದನ್ 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? 0 ಗಿಂತ ಕಮ್ಮಿ. 0 ಗಿಂತ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಆದ್ರೆ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ನಾವು ಸಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 0 to pi. 0 to pi means sin is positive in 0 to pi by 2 and pi by 2 to pi is also positive only. Plus into minus is again negative. This is also not possible. Positive into negative is negative only. So now 90 to what? Pi. 90 say pi. Sin is what here? That is positive, no? So again positive into negative is negative only, which is less than 0. Now only one option is remaining. Of course this is the answer, but still we will explain you. Pi say 2 pi. Pi to 2 pi. Pi to 2 pi, you see. Pi say 270, it is negative. Sin is negative, no? Only tan and cot are positive, I told third quadrant. So here negative. Negative into negative positive. In third quadrant also it is positive. That means increasing. So 270 to 2 pi. Again here also What? Fourth quadrant, cos and sec are positive. Sine is a negative here, dear students. Negative into negative, positive. So then D is our correct answer, dear students. So D for Delhi, Delhi is our answer. So please copy this. We'll go for the next video. Next question, dear student. Please copy this. Let us see the next question, dear students. Question number 9. The function f of x is equal to 3x plus 17 is strictly increasing on what? In this interval where it is increasing. First you write the given equation, dear students. F of x is what? 3x plus 17. Just now we have discussed when function will increase, when function will decrease. So now see, derivative of f of x is what? F dash of x. 3x derivative constant is written as is. Derivative of x is 1, dear students. So derivative of 17 is 0. Constant is 0, dear students. So 3 1 ja 3, 3 plus 0 is 3, dear students. 3 1 ja 3, 3 plus 0 is 3. Don't write 0. So 3, f dash of x is equal to 3. This is what? Greater than 0 or not? 3. So whatever value you take x, you bekad value anna idri x value. F dash of 1 is also 3. If it is here x means I would have put it 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6. But here x is not there, only constant 3. That is also positive. So x value you bekka dakri. Whatever value you put x, कौन सा भी value डालो 1 2 3 4 5 so on. Any real number you can put, dear students. So our value is what? Greater than 0 only. It is increasing function. So now interval is what now? A real number you told. Real number x belongs to what? Real number. Any real number I can put. My function f of x is what? That is 3 only, dear student. 3 means what? Greater than 0. So this is greater than 0. Real number means what? What is real number? Minus infinite to plus infinite, dear student. Any value put in between this, our function is what? Greater than 0 only. That is 3 only, dear students. So that's why our option will go for what? Option A. A for is the answer, dear students. Or A for awesome is our answer. I hope you understood this one. So we'll go for the next question. If you are understanding, please like my channel. Don't forget to like our channel, dear students. So if you are understanding, I'm saying. So we'll go for the next question. Please copy this one. Let us see the next question, dear students. Question number 10. The interval in which y is equal to x square e raised to minus x is increasing is dash. In which interval y value will increases, dear students? Y is nothing but x square into e raised to minus x, dear students. So now let us see where it will increase. First we will find the derivative. So y is equal to what? X square into e raised to minus x, dear students. So then you see here derivative of this is what? Y is nothing but f of x only, dear students. Don't get confused. Y is nothing but f of x only. So derivative of f of x is what? F dash of x. So now this is looking like how you know. ಇದು ಯಾವ ತರ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? U into v ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ. U into v जैसा ही दिख रहा है. So u into v is what, dear students? U into v. Y is equal to u into v. So derivative how you used to write? dy by dx is equal to u is written as is derivative of v you have to take. V is written as is derivative of u you have to take, dear students. Clear? So now this one I have to do. So now what is u here, dear students? U will take it as x square and v we will take it as e raised to minus x. Clear? So u I will write as is x square. Now I have to take the derivative of v. No, v is what? E raised to minus x. It is looking like e raised to x only. E raised to minus x ಯಾವ ತರ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ e raised to x ಗತೆನೆ. ನನಗೂ ಗುರ್ತಿದೆ ನಿಮಗೂ ಗುರ್ತಿದೆ ಇದು x ಅಲ್ಲ minus x ಅಂತ. But ನಾವು ಅಸ್ಯೂಮ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ minus x is what? X only. If it is not x, we will take the derivative. So we will assume it as x only. So if it is not x means we have to take the derivative. E raised to x derivative is e raised to x, but this is not x. Minus x derivative minus, dear students. So minus 1 is taken here front. Minus I have written plus e raised to minus x is written as is v. Derivative of what? U I have to take. U derivative. u is what? X square. X square derivative is 2x. I hope it is clear. So what is common, dear students, in this? E raised to minus x is common. I will take it out. So what is remaining now? Minus x square plus 2x, dear students. I hope everyone it is clear. So now further what we can do, you see here. Next we will do, take it equal to 0, dear students. I have to find the x value here. So where the interval will increase, in which intervals it is increasing and decreasing, we have to check. So now we have to take the derivative. So e raised to minus x square plus 2x is equal to 0 will make. So now e raised to minus x, if you take this side, 0 by e raised to minus x is 0. So you will remain with minus x square plus 2x equal to 0, dear students. Clear? So now what you can do here, you see. So now I will do minus x, I will take it out. What will remain? X minus 2 equal to 0, dear students. Will you agree? Minus into x, minus x into x is minus x square, minus into minus is plus, x into 2 is 2x, dear students. I hope it is clear, everyone. Understood, no? ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಐತಲ್ಲ? Minus x into x ಅಂದ್ರೆ minus x square, minus into minus ಅಂದ್ರೆ plus, x into 2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2x. Clear? So minus x equal to 0, 1. Another is what? Minus x, I mean x minus 2 equal to 0. Minus 0, minus you send that side. It will become 0 only. X value is 0. Another is what? Minus 2 if you send that side. X value is equal to 2, dear students. Clear? So now interval you take. Interval. In which interval our function is greater than 0. So now you will see increasing means greater than 0 only. 0 and 2 you take, and this is infinite and this is minus infinite. So I will erase the below, dear students. This is actually formula just for your understanding purpose I had written. I will erase this. This is not required now. Now you see, observe very carefully. So what will happen? Observe. So 2 से ज़्यादा ले लो number, 2 से ज़्यादा, and this is positive, dear students. I have forgotten to say this one. E raised to minus x है ना, positive ही रहता है. How, sir? Sir, e raised to minus x is there, sir. How you are saying it is positive? So e value basically, dear students, e value is 2.718 आता है something. Okay, just you imagine 2.7 we are having the e value. So now e raised to minus x is there. X value you can say anything. If you take sir 1 I will keep. Then how much it is, sir? How it is giving negative? So now, dear students, I will take it down. E raised to 1 it will become. E raised to 1 is what? E only. So that is again positive. E value is what? 2.7. 1 by 2.7 is 0 point something you will get. 0 point something means what? That is greater than 0 only, no? So remember, exponent function can't be negative. So this is a what? Positive, dear students. This is positive. Clear? Everyone, I have to check only on this now. Now see here, what will happen? Already this is positive. This is positive, dear students. I will not say anything about this. I have to check on this only. Minus x square plus 2x. Only I have to check whether this is giving a positive or negative. This is a minus outside, x square is there. That's why minus x square. Don't think minus x whole square is there. If it is there, no, then it would have become plus x square, dear student. Minus is outside, x square plus 2x. Clear? So now I have to substitute what now? We need in which interval? ಇದು ಯಾವ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? 0 ಗಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 0 से बड़ा होता है, कौन सा इंटरवल में चेक कर रहे हैं हम. So 2 से ज्यादा डालो. 2 ಗಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಯಾವ್ದಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? 3. So 3 ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. So 3 if I put, what will happen? You see, 3 square 9 minus 9 will come. 2 3s are 6. 6 you got. 2 3s are, I am putting the 3 value in this. 2 3s are 6. 3 square are 9. Minus 9 or minus 6. This is plus is there already. Into बीच में into है इनका. So here into was there. Can you see? So minus 9 or plus 6 is how much? Minus 3 plus into minus, which is less than 0. Less than 0 means what? Negative. That means a decreasing function. F dash of x is becoming here what? less than 0 because it is giving negative, dear students. Answer. Yes sir. So plus into minus is minus only. This can't be a negative, you know that. So this is negative. 2 to infinite, it will become what? Negative, dear students. Interval. So next in between this 0 to 2, what is the number we can take in between? 1 we can take. So 1 if I take, what will happen? This is positive already, into minus x square plus 2x. So 1 if you put, what will happen? See here, 1 square, 1, 2 1 ja 2, dear students. 2 1 ja 2. So 2 1 ja 2, 2 minus 1 is 1, plus into plus. This is plus 1. Yes or no? 2 1 ja 2, plus 2 minus 1 is 1, dear students. Plus 1. Plus into plus plus. So that means in this interval it is increasing. So next one you see. So next number is what? 0 से कम करो. 0 से कम कौन सा है? -1 you can take. 0 से कम इधर क्या आता है? -1 आता है. So any number you can take less than 0. So -1 whole square 2 into -1. So how much you will get, you see? Plus -1 square is 1, plus into minus, minus 2 1 ja 2. How much you will get, you see? -1 minus 2 is -3. Don't write plus 2. Addition is going up. -1 minus 2 is -3. Some of you will write plus 2. Exactly wrong. And plus 3 some of you will write. There are many diamonds are there with us. They will write like that. So don't forget. See here, plus into minus is minus. So again here also it is negative, dear students. Function is decreasing there. So in which interval it increases, you only see, dear students. So can you see here where the function is increasing? From 0 to 2 positive is coming. So that means function is increasing in 0 to 2. 0 to 2 function is increasing, dear students. Increasing. So which option is correct now? That is matching with option D, dear students. So D for Delhi. Delhi is our correct answer. I hope you understood. So please copy this. We'll go for the next question, dear students. I hope you have understood everything. So please like the channel. I have to come over there to press the button. Then like karo na. Why you are forgetting? Help me. See here. Next question, dear students. Question number 11. See here. Question number 11 I have not written here only because it is related to this only. This question only. The interval in which y is equal to x square e raised to minus x is decreasing is what, dear student? Here they had asked what? Increasing. Here decreasing. Same only you have to write the answer. Where the function was decreasing, can you see here? Minus sign where it has got. So from 2 to infinite and minus infinite to 0. Can you see? So where it is decreasing? Minus infinite to 0. Union. From where to where again? 2 to infinite, dear students. 2 to infinite. It is decreasing. So which option will matches, you see here? That is matching with option B, dear students. Here it is decreasing. It will decrease aagta hai. To agada nahi idini. So 2 to infinite no decrease agata hai. So they are asking what? Function is decreasing where? So our option is what here, dear students? In this interval it is decreasing. Our option will matching with what? B. B for bingo, dear students. I hope everything you have understood, I feel. So in this video, if you are liking this video, please like and subscribe my channel. So share to your friends also. So we'll meet you in my next class. तब तक लगे रहो मैथ्स के साथ, dear students. Thank you. Please copy this one.